Hello, my English virtual tutor. My name is Jeffrey Lopez, and today I'm going to talk about my best friend. Okay, let's start. She is my best friend. Her name is Inelda. She is a teacher. She is 30 years old. She is from Mangue. Okay, likes and dislikes. She likes listen to Christian music, but she does not like dance. She likes roast chicken, but she does not liver stew. She likes volleyball, but she does not like swimming. She likes fish and parrot, but she does not like dog. Okay, when she was a child, she could do beautiful drawings and dresses for dolls. She could ride a bike. When she was a child, couldn't swim in the pool. She couldn't exercise much either. Currently, she can sing, cook different kind of food, make clothing, and help students with homework. Okay, this is my best friend. She is great.